The university application process is very competitive. Applicants who make their applications even a slightly bit better get ahead in the complete university application race. So at times, going outside to volunteer or for internships may not be an option. So in this video, I'll be talking about online courses, how much do they help you in university admissions, and what are the best places to find and to do online courses. Let's get into the video right now. Firstly, how important are online courses? Now on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being most important and 1 being least important, online courses would sit around a 4. Now they are not a de facto thing that will get you into your university, but when judging two similar applications, application officers can consider online courses as the tiebreaker. Now as I mentioned earlier, with the application process being as competitive as it is today, online courses could be one of the factors that get you into your top choice school. Now online courses help you as a student show colleges that you can complete college level coursework during your high school along with all of your high school requirements. They can show motivation as well as they demonstrate that you want to learn beyond your basic curriculum requirements. Now let's talk about how online courses can help you while writing your supplemental essays. Now while writing a supplemental essay about your field of study, there's a big difference between a student who says that he or she wants to study that subject in college and that he or she is interested in it, when compared to a student who says that I like the subject and I've also pursued a few online courses in this subject and thus I would want to study it in university as well. The latter student is greatly preferred during the university application process. So with that in mind, now we'll also talk about a few important online course websites or platforms that you can get started on your online courses journey. Now there are two types of online courses. The ones that give you college credits for the course and the ones which don't. Now the ones that do give you college credits are spread thin and there aren't many options. Now if you really want to explore in this direction, I suggest looking through the websites of a few universities that offer these courses for college credit. A few examples would be the California State Universities, the University of Oregon, and the University of Texas. A few other universities like Brown also offer online courses, but they do not offer credits for their courses. Now let's talk about a few places where you can find online courses which are not for credit, but can still be a great addition to your university application. Firstly, the big two, Coursera and edX. Now these are great places to find online courses. The courses on edX are created by members of top universities. Universities like Harvard, Princeton, MIT, Yale, UC Berkeley, and also other universities like Imperial College London, the National University of Singapore, and all of these universities create courses on this platform. There are also big companies which create courses on this platform and have them, like IBM and Google have amazing courses in the tech field. So edX and Coursera are great places to look out for if you are interested in looking at these courses. Now an important note while doing these courses on Coursera and edX is most of the courses are free, but a certificate would have to be paid for. Now if you have the money, I suggest paying for the courses and getting the complete certificate and the evaluation, as a certificate in the course in your field of interest will not only help you during your college application process, but will also help you while applying for internships and at job opportunities. There are also websites like Udemy and Udacity. Now the courses are not as widely reputed as edX or Coursera, but they are much cheaper and you could do many more courses with the same amount of money on Udemy when compared to Coursera. Now the courses on Udemy are offered by individuals who are leaders in their own fields. So you have that person with a lot of experience is talking to you about their experiences and their complete idea about the course. But at the same time, they are not offered by universities or big corporations like HarvardX or IBMX or Google. So it does not hold that much value as well in the eyes of a university. So in conclusion, online courses are not the most important part of your application. In fact, they are one of the parts of lesser importance. But if you plan it out well and choose the courses in your fields of interest, they could give you a much needed information about your field of interest, a boost in your college applications, as well as good content to write your university supplemental essays. They will also help you later on in college as well as in the world around you. Now, in the world where upskilling is necessary to get ahead of the competition, you're already a few steps ahead with the help of the online courses. So, if you found this video informative, please like it and share it with all your friends. And also, for more content on the complete university application process and on standardized tests, subscribe to the channel below as well. If you have any questions on university applications or on standardized tests, you could comment them down below. I will either answer them in a subsequent video or I will answer them in the comments. I will see you in my next video.